Welcome again, guys, to
Journey with the Jacksons.
hey, big up to everybody watching. Thank you for tuning in to Journey with the Jacksons. So today,
But baby, before we get into today, guys, thank you so much for watching. If you're new here, thank you for tuning in. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, stick and stay with us. And to our resident watchers, guys, we appreciate you so much and thank you so much. It's been a while since we've been on here because of work and we had some technical
and COVID.
Well, yeah, and we had some technical. Well, we didn't have COVID, guys. We didn't have COVID.
No, that's not the case.
But we had knock on wood, yeah? Right. So, yeah, but we had some technical difficulties and work was in our skin. So anyway, we're here. Thank you guys for staying with us. And for all of you who subscribed during that time of us being silent, we appreciate you guys. Thank you so much. Yeah. Well, today now, baby.
Who we have with us?
My friend Jojo.
Jojo! Big up Jojo.
Yeah.
Big up Jojo.
Yeah.
We love Jojo. Yeah.
Today, what we're doing today, babe?
Alright, so mukbang them call it?
Yeah. Well, guess what? We're going to be eating some Chinese food that we got.
Yeah.
From Little Tokyo. Let's show you what we have in our plate. Well, I have lo mein. What's this again, babe? Mala chicken.
Malale. Malale chicken.
This is mala chicken and this is some pork, northern pork, right? And then what Joe have?
I don't want to tilt, man. I don't want the gravy to come out. So let me just... So this is my, not malale chicken, but queso and stew on beef.
Yes, stew beef.
And
yeah. Fried rice. And what Joe's having? I don't remember what is this. Oh, chop suey.
Yeah,
she don't like vegetables, so I got that for her. Yeah. And lo mein. And she's having queso chicken.
Queso chicken, not meatballs.
Right. So while we're eating, we're going to be talking about some things that you'll hear. Melissa just jumped in. Yeah. Something. Anyway, so some things that you'll hear in a restaurant when you go to a Jamaican restaurant. Right. Well, here in Jamaica, right? Yeah. So tune in. All right. So, and we'll be having some pineapple juice too.
So nice pineapple juice. I'm shaking it.
Okay, continue. Speaking.
Oh, so good. But so you know, if you're in Jamaica, if you're in the Kingston area, you want some Chinese food.
Just come by us.
Come by us.
Yeah, we can share. We're not mean.
By then we'll be long finished eating this. But anyway, you can check out Sovereign because that's where we got it. What's the name of the place again?
You have Sovereign Center and you have Sovereign North. Sovereign North also has a really good Chinese restaurant.
Where's Sovereign?
There are many. Just around the corner.
From Ligani Sovereign? Okay. But we went to Sovereign right there in Ligani, right on the front there. And that's where we got this at Little Tokyo.
Sorry, one more thing. Let's bless the food.
I did it in my mind.
Okay, I'll do it in my mind.
Amen. Alright, yeah. So far this is not tasting bad. And guys,
it tastes good.
Tastes good? Want some of this, Joe?
But the beef I taste like pork. How about going on?
I like this. I think this Chinese with a touch of Jamaican to it. And I think so. It's really good. To me. So, we are going to be, while we're eating, we're going to be talking about things that you will hear while you're at or in a Jamaican restaurant, right? So an interesting one.
Yeah, man. What are some of the main things that people talk about when they're in a
when you go in a restaurant?
Yeah, like
here in Jamaica?
Like sometimes people ask if for the same chef.
What you ask mainly? What is your main question to ask?
Me just go for the food, you know.
If you have curry gravy.
Yeah.
Upscale gravy.
Yeah.
So, I hope so your food nice today, you know. Or sometimes you go some places you're afraid to ask certain questions because
the people look aggressive.
yeah,
No, I
Let
them
me
probably
tell
just
you.
look upset. Like,
sometimes when the service is poor, Shana want to like say to them, don't bother with certain things. Make me say, baby, don't bother with that because unless I can see what you're doing with my food before my eyes, I am going to smile with you so much. Because I'm afraid for your girl in a corner with my food and do nothing with that, you know, man. No, man, I'm not upon that, man. Man, I'm not get that food that comfortable. I open and I look at me. You know who that look so this up.
Yeah.
So, Shana, be nice.
Especially when you get like macaroni salad.
Oh, you get
yuck.
that,
You know, Joy is basically saying you don't want to play any games with people.
Especially the drive-thru. The drive-thru is because you can't see anything. So when them come, and a lot of times,
They're not usually so rude at the drive. You really find them so rude at the drive-thru, though?
you find them rude. I do me kind of babe. Always rude.
The chicken place? Popular chicken place?
That very popular.
When I really go there
chicken
so
place.
too often, though.
Yeah, man. And the burger place, sometimes
More so the chicken place.
we get more
I've
attitude
heard
than
a lot more about the chicken place.
That man say, alright. Like maybe when them go inside, them say, alright, the lady there, they start give some more little attitude, you know. Alright, I'll fix our business. You know, it just run through your mind, maybe this is not the reality, maybe far from the reality, but listen, my food, I don't play with my food. I want to know that it is being served
Yes, the
properly.
possibility strongly exists, and it further confirms that in your mind because of videos that we've watched and seen.
Someone going to corner and say, that's that food, they don't good again, you know, man. Not good again.
Alright. You hear you going and you ask, you probably really want the fried chicken, you know. And you say, you having the fried chicken? No, we don't have none of that.
Yeah.
So they ever, we don't have none of that.
Yeah,
If we don't have none of that, mark it off of the board.
Yeah.
Jeez. But that can be really annoying. Alright.
I remember this one time. I really fell for some red pea soup. I went to this food place. They have their board up. Write down everything on it. And you know, you see some places where they rub off things. So you say, okay, red pea soup up there. So they must have some. Stand up in the line all long and wait, you know, when we reach up there, it done. Them not have no more long time now.
No, but
I was so upset from that. A lot of times what I do, I go to a restaurant, but I go to the front of the line, say, I'm not cut you, just so I know if you have this. Then I take my place in the line.
give yourself some time.
Whole heap of time. Especially if the food place popular.
Like some places, even recently,
You want to try the beef?
I went to get some burger, and I joined the line, and I remember it's Corona time, so it takes longer time. And when I reached the front of the line, the lady said, sir, are you using a card? I said, yes, miss. I don't have any cash on me. I'm sorry, sir, but the card machine is not working. So I look for now, you see. I look for now, and I said, hey.
Yeah, that's another thing you hear too at the restaurants that use the card machine, you know. They wait until they reach the front of the line and then tell you, oh, the card machine not working.
Not working, like.
You don't have no cash, you know.
Yeah, everybody
and you don't spend half an hour in the line, you know.
Yeah,
Everybody.
I know of a certain chicken place that does that. All the time. All the time. Okay? You're in the line and they move at the speed of turtles. You know?
Yeah.
And by the time you reach up, you hand them the card. They take up the paper that says card machine not working. When you're giving them the card,
at the wrong time. Like, put it from where people join the line.
you know, say it's a good thing
see.
that the ATM is close by.
Yeah. That's
So you
crazy.
go and come back.
We have to join, we have to rejoin
No,
the
man,
line.
or if you really want the food, you go and come back. If you don't, come here, come cook.
Okay. Okay.
And at that point in time, it's like you probably really want the food.
Right.
Sometimes you have to want it and leave
But
it.
you're going to be very upset eating it.
Imagine you have to join the line. Because you can't cut some Jamaican people, you know. Whether you were there or not, sir, listen, you need to join the back of the line. Me never see you from before, you just come. Sir.
And I'm serious about it. So, alright, so next thing you hear is, you want the gravy on the rice or on the side?
Yes. Some people serious about this.
Like this, I know it. Like, yeah, let me give this story. Guys, so the other day I was at work. And I was like, baby, you know what? I'm really feeling for some fried chicken. Yeah, I want some good fried chicken. So, alright, Chinty, you know what? Let me get to the fried chicken. So anyway, we come with the fried chicken. And it's like, I have this craving for the fried chicken, you know. No. There's also craving for the fried chicken because I haven't had it in a while. Anyway, when the fried chicken come, I intend to see some nice crispy layer, you know, just all the little fry. Look.
So you bite, you hear the crunch.
Girl, you know, man. Here's the chicken full up, wet up, nasty up with curry gravy. I'm like, but Jesus.
It was my fault.
It could have been done nicer anyway. But I was kind of annoyed with that. But anyway, the fried chicken was not so bad when I turned it over and whatnot. But it was soaked in it, man. I had to be fighting with it. But anyway, that was my pet peeve. You know, sometimes you see them put it on the gravy and like, no.
Or you ask what kind of gravy. Or they ask you which gravy you want.
Disclaimer, so not everywhere in Jamaica there's bad customer service, guys. We're just saying it may come across like that, but no, that's not the case, right? You have places where it's nicely and decently done. Then you have some places where you just, you know, drop on slap, drop, bam, bam, next patient.
They come like you buy the personality along with the food.
Yeah, but I guess it's not unique to Jamaica either.
Like recently I saw a meme on Instagram. So the person was saying, we're in Jamaica, do you get good customer service? So somebody said it must be Jamaica, Queens.
Queens.
Jamaica Queens.
Make them move. Anyway, so that's another one. And then you know how you go there when you're really hungry and you look on the board and you see them say stew pork. And a long time I didn't eat stew pork, you know. Or they say, can I have a large stew pork, please? And the person say, 10 minutes, it's not ready.
So you have to wait 10 minutes and then they're like, you think so the food ready, you know. So when them say, sir, 10 minutes ready, you're waiting for it or not, like, we can get a minute to think about it, please, because I came here thinking it ready because it is up there. So you're ready to order because in the line, you know.
They want next patient. Yeah, so 10 minutes.
Like a year for it finished.
Chicken already.
It's not ready.
Hey, and the 10 minutes said, no, the 10 minutes will last like 30 minutes, you know. Guys, 10 minutes, that already 10 minutes, you know.
Yeah. Same chicken place that I keep referring to. Chicken never ready yet.
Yeah.
You want a specific type of chicken? 10 minutes on that.
Yeah, we only have spicy ready.
Stop going to that chicken place.
I haven't been.
That's almost impossible though.
This one? Nope. Nope.
When last you go there?
She can't remember.
A long time, man.
Guys, this is really good though. I like the food. Oh, you like it, Joe?
Good one.
The food are going.
You don't like the chicken?
No, I'm gonna eat this later.
Alright.
The food there is quite filling because it's a lot.
Alright. So, another thing you might hear is, wait a minute, we'll soon take your order. So the person who is ordering, who is doing the ordering, no, the person who is taking the order rather. So the person who is taking the order rather, may be busy. Yeah, the cashier. Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
Yeah. So the cashier may take up herself, busy, and do some other thing, and you're standing there like, am I visible or not? And they just say like, oh, And you probably say a signal to her, you know, I'm soon take your order.
Poor customer service that,
Yeah,
That was crazy.
Yeah. So, guys, when you come here and you go into the restaurant, just be patient.
Yeah.
Or else you're going to get worked up and it don't make any sense.
My experience so many times.
Yeah. And especially when you're impatient, tripping. But
Yeah.
then, and next time you probably hear you're going there, you're hungry like a dog,
Sometimes I'm impatient, stupid. I just say,
Yeah.
why are they taking so long? I'm going to take time now. I'm say people ain't going around this are going to serve you food.
No, it's not. But Joe, you would know about a time when you go to a restaurant.
There's some people now, sorry babe, some people now want to make the whole nice, not need them around there. Them people get so
Yeah,
long.
grumbling I like.
Why they not get more people for working there, man? Get more people to serve the food, and then when they reach up, yeah, I can't get
Yeah.
fried chicken, not talking about
Mm-hmm.
I agree with them. People who are hungry of food, be nice to them.
Mm-hmm.
You don't want the trouble. You don't want anything that is not supposed to go in.
That same chicken plate, go ramp with them.
This is what the pork looks like here, guys. Alright. Now, alright, you show up. This place will sell some really nice red pea soup for true. Sometimes when you go in there, and we go in there, they probably, I don't know if it ever happened to me yet, but when, the two of us being together, but when I go, there has been times when I've gone by myself, and once I go in there and I was like, I sit on the board, say, them have red peas, pumpkin or chicken foot, whatever, and whatever else stuff them have, and I was like, want some red peas today. Bam! I go there and say, can I have a large red pea soup, please? It just done, miss.
or we have the soup, no food, or only dumpling leaf.
Yeah, only dumpling leaf.
What?
I'm sorry, only
I
dumpling
want
leaf.
red peas with beef in it and yam.
No
Okay.
dumplings.
I don't want any dumpling.
No.
And then like, sir, you want it yes or no?
Yeah. Baby. Graze upon them now.
No man, them like, me never know, say, no, if it make me think now if I want it, I still want it, if I want something else. Can I get a minute to think, please? Alright, sir. What people in our line are weird.
But there's still good customer service here, right? We can find good customer service here.
Yeah.
I mean, even the same places that you might go today and it's bad, go another day and it's really good. Because you might swear obviously, no, come back here yourself. Lies.
Right.
When food good, you're going to go back.
True.
Okay? You might not. You might stay away for a couple months or a couple weeks. But you're going to go back. One way or the other.
Yeah. And sometimes it's convenient, so.
Yeah, convenient.
Yeah.
Especially here in Jamaica and all things are set up.
Yeah.
Another thing you might hear, somebody, alright, so we're in the line at a restaurant, yeah, and somebody is ordering. Well, somebody there front, and them department, so now fried chicken to the rice cooked with coconut milk. So the rice really hot, it just don't cook. Then like people ask a bag of questions and people run that back like, oh, you ask so much question when you know that food and go on. Yeah? You know the kind of people they when they come in and ask, alright, a spicy chicken, and you don't tell them what is what
Or
you're
they go up there and they say they don't know what they want to order yet.
Yeah.
So it's when they reach the cashier, you see them and look on the board like, what do I want to eat?
Yeah.
Tell me,
That's what it come with juice.
yeah. Like you never read the menu before you come.
You know the cashier start getting impatient now. And the people them run up back. The people at the back of the line start getting, what do I look how long she in the line? Or what do we look how long you in the line? But guys, it's sometimes we can go so.
How much for your small lunch?
Yeah, and the money that beside it, What? Because in Jamaica, when you go to a restaurant, the most expensive price usually that way. A bottom,
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Usually,
Or-
no, it's at top.
It's at the side.
The expensive one at the top. When
The meat,
Mhm.
like if there's a fish food,
Mhm.
so you have chicken first, of the soup, chicken,
And
coming
then
down,
mhm.
down to fish. Fish are the most expensive.
pork, either more too.
Either
pork.
yeah.
Yeah, depending on them. So they have like maybe fish, beef, or pork
Pork.
as most expensive, right?
Yeah.
Chicken is very cheap, and so
Mhm.
too chicken back,
Yeah.
right? Or turkey neck, no.
But the prices is like depending on where you go, they either put beside the food, so it's small, medium, large across, or they put it below each thing. So you see the price below
Yeah.
moving across that way.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
So you know, once you go in the restaurant, you know how much money you have in your purse already or your pocket,
Mm-hmm.
and you know how much money you're willing to spend.
Yeah.
So say for example, I have money that can only purchase a small fried chicken,
Mhm.
right?
Mm-hmm.
I feel for fried chicken. This is all I can afford. I don't want any soup because usually you can get soup cheaper than a small lunch.
Mm-hmm.
But then when you go to the cashier, chicken done.
Mm-hmm.
Or we'll prepare some more, man. You can wait 15-20 minutes.
Mm-hmm. Man, go on wait, you know what happened to you. The bus they want because the JTC bus gone.
Yummy supper.
Or you need to go back to work because it's your lunchtime and all sorts of things.
Mm-hmm.
Sure.
So, that's crazy and fun, but oftentimes when you go to a corner side here in Jamaica or a restaurant to get some food, whether it be a man on the corner sell some soup or sell some jerk chicken or whatever, or you go in a restaurant or like a makeshift restaurant to sell some food too. You know, 90% of the time it's good tasting food.
Yeah.
Right. Despite the flavors are
Proper.
up.
Mm-hmm. Proper food, guys.
So, guys, when you're in Jamaica or if you're Jamaican and you're here, exercise patience. Mind you, we need to work on customer service.
Yeah. I need to work on patience.
But they need to work on customer service.
Mm-hmm.
But we hope you had fun hanging and eating with us.
Yeah.
And let me share a piece of chicken with you. And a piece of pork with you. And then a piece of cucumber with you.
I guess I can give you some of my lo mein.
Right. And then let me share some of Joe's with myself. Oh,
Show me. Chop suey there.
Chop suey.
The Malay chicken.
Malay. Anyway, guys, thank you so much for tuning in and staying and eating with us and listening to us.
Yeah.
Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and remember to
Like,
Share.
comment,
subscribe and join us again
Wait.
next time.
Bye.